Quality Christmas light clips are the backbone of any great holiday display. They not only make installation a breeze, but also keep your lights straight and secure all season long. At 1000 Bulbs, we offer a wide range of light clips designed to make every installation simple and easy. We've put together this video to give you a brief rundown of some of our most popular clip options and show you how to install them. Let's first start with combination clips. Designed to work on both gutters and shingles, they offer both a secure installation and flexible mounting options. Some of our most popular combination clips are the all-in-one clips that come in two varieties, the flip clip and the universal clip. The all-in-one flip clip can be used with C7, C9, icicle, and mini light strings. To install them to shingles, simply slide the clip underneath the shingle, then attach the bulbs to the clip. To attach them to gutters, flip the clip horizontally so that the flat part is pointed down, then attach it to the outside edge of the gutter. This clip is the best option if you are installing on both gutters and shingles in the same job. Now, all-in-one universal clips, also known as scorpion clips, can be used with rope light, C7s, C9s, icicle lights, and mini light strings. They install the same way as the flip clips, however, they do not use a clip to hold the bulbs in place. Instead, the wire attaches to wire guides that hold the bulbs. Scorpion clips are preferred by installers since they can pull the lights down from the house and the clips will stay attached to the strings, allowing for easy storage. If you're looking for another great option, you can check out the C7 and C9 light clips. Much like the previous two clips, they either slide under the shingles or attach directly to the gutter when flipped horizontally. Once installed, C7 or C9 bulbs can be snapped into the clip. We also offer C7 light clips designed just for C7 bulbs and C9 light clips for only C9s. Both clips either slide under the shingles or attach to the outside edge of the gutter. These are popular choices for homeowners since the clips will stay attached to the lights, similar to the scorpion clips. Next, let's look at clips designed for gutters and leaf screens. Combination leaf screen and gutter light clips attach to either the gutter or leaf screen, providing multiple ways to hang C7, C9, icicle, and mini lights. You can attach these clips to a leaf guard by first turning the clip so that the curved hook is up, then snapping the ends into the screen. For gutters, simply flip them so that the curved hook can fit over the lip of the gutter. Now let's look at clips designed for just shingles. We offer a wide range of shingle clips that slide under shingles in a matter of seconds. Shingle speed tabs can be used with C6, C7, and C9 bulbs, while tab light clips work with just C7 and C9 bulbs. For flat surfaces, we offer Parapet Clips. These clips screw to the surface and allow a shingle clip to slide in. Finally, let's look at specialty application clips. For metal roofs and surfaces, choose magnetic light clips. These clips slip over the base of C7 or C9 sockets and attach to the wires, sticking to any metal surface with ease. Adhesive light clips are designed to attach mini lights to flat surfaces such as windows, door frames, exterior trim, and more. Installation is easy by simply attaching the 3M adhesive square to the back of the clip, then attaching it to the desired surface. All the Christmas light clips we covered today are made by Christmas Light Company and sold at 1000 Bulbs. For help finding the right Christmas mounting clips for your setup, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our US-based lighting experts or shop with us online at 1000bulbs.com.